This is Pentecostal guitar style 2. I promise I'll be bringing it. And hey, here I am with part 2. In Pentecostal guitar style 1, I told you, in order to sound like them, you need to start with samples of their styles. I gave you some of the elements of Pentecostal guitar styles. We have what we call the Amen cadence. If you haven't watched or viewed Pentecostal guitar style 1, please go view it so that you will not be left behind. Yes. This is very typical of Pentecostal guitar style. Things like this. It's so unique in Pentecostal guitar style. So these are some of the things that I said bring out the difference between Pentecostal guitar style and the others. Okay, and then the use of dominant, diminished, or diminished, where we change, instead of a minor, we change to a dominant. But today I'm going to take a very interesting song. I'm taking this song because it has some great elements in there.
Senka bibi wo afida echia enuna enka medibema senka bibi chia enuna enka medibema mano etumi kanyawaye tie minire amede beshewu ana enti senka bibiwa afida chia enuna enka medebe ma mano etumi kanyawaye tie minire amede beshewu ana enti senka bibiwo asida chia enuna enka medibema senka bibiwo
without wasting your time, I would want you to take your time to practice this. And as usual, I'm going to show to you a neck diagram. And on this neck diagram, if you decide to follow the notes as they are in the neck diagram, if you don't know how to read the neck diagram, please learn about it. To me, it's like the neck has been turned upside down. Yes. So you can either visualize the board from my finger here, or then I show the neck diagram below, and that should help you. I'm in standard tuning, and I'm in the key of C. Because this is how we began. This is the melody I am trying to decorate or embellish. I'm forming C, D minor, D7 on that melody. Then I play the 6 string free. And on do till la to sol I'm playing. I wouldn't want to harmonize everything. I can harmonize the song with a diminished 7 chord and E diminished 7 chord. But I can also leave it as a single note. Then the toe I form the diminished 7 chord. Then to a D minor. You leave them as single notes. Do, re, and then re is F6. F6 with a thumb here. The thumb, that is very unique. Do, re. Then this is a very beautiful part. The melody is this. That is the melody, but I would want to also decorate it a little, so I'll add some chromatics in there. then to a G7 to a C suspended or resolve. We met this similar chord progressions in the first song I gave you. Then a slight modulation will come in. That's transient modulation. But let me think in C so that everything becomes simple. So in C it will be so I just want to make things simpler. So over this chord, G minor, G minor 7, over G minor 7 chord. So then here I will play the notes individually. Of Bossa, samba and others, then you can hear feelings like this. Some samba style. Because I listen to the Gilbertos, the Antonio Carlos Jobins, Louis Bonfa and the others. Yes, if you've ever played solo before, you understand me. And there are some similarities between our local Pentecostal style and the Bossa Nova. Their use of bass. Yes, this is found in samba. You go listen to Chord and you understand what I'm talking about. So we have the traditional thing and some slight modulation to create some form of beauty. Diminished. The half chord diminished scale. A very beautiful scale. I'll be coming with part 3 where we use the melodies or some unique melodies to decorate on the like I said, in case you're looking for a one-on-one guitar lesson with me on Zoom, pick the numbers on your screen and give me a call, or you can send me an email. You can look at the description and then take my email from that. You can look at the description and pick my email and email me. People are doing it. If you are in America, Europe, now the classroom is on our laptops. There are no two ways about that. If you go and understand someone, you sit under someone's feet to be taught, that's the best. Because you have a direct impartation. Yes. But now that COVID and others are not allowing, then we would have to find other ways of doing it. You can use Zoom and the other software available to do it. And if you haven't subscribed to my video, please do so, because you haven't seen anything yet. We are going to provide here very useful information. And for all those who liked and shared our videos, who wrote such beautiful comments, God bless you. Thank you. You do really motivate us to do more. People are greedy. They only go there and then download it and they're not even, no. You were not one of them. Thank you. My prayer that God will help you to understand everything about the guitar. Say amen to that.